Yeah, I see two of them. Come this way, come this way. They went across. There's three of them right there. They're too far. Turn this way, turn this way, turn this way. They might say, here go two right here. Bust. Damn. Yeah, they were hiding. They were hiding. They looked. Yeah, they were hiding. They looked. Here come three. Oh, that's four of them. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. It's a big group of them ahead of us. They way up. He way up there. They up there pretty high, boy. Ooh, someone just landed right in front of us. Tell you, they were coming in like that last night when I was sitting on the dock. A bunch of them. He came across fast. He was wide open. Here's some more in front of. They're going across though. They circling back this way. You see him?
That's a tweet bird.
No, it ain't neither. Got him! Got him! Got him! There you go. There you go. There you go.
I don't know. We both shot it second time. That's a bird.
I just shot once. Yeah. I don't know who bird that is. Here comes some more. Here comes some more. Here comes some more. Nah, they went the other way. They were going the other way. Here's one coming across. Hit your call. Hit your call. There we go. Here we go. Oh, that's too far. It's too far off. Here go two right there. Here goes some coming across. Call, 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 call. Hit your call. They're too far off.
Watch them, they might circle. They might circle.
Uh-huh. There's three of them over there.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I think they see the bird. Hey, they circle.
Yeah. Here come three of them.
Get ready.
Get them. Two of them, baby. Two of them. Yes, sir.
Good shooting, dude.
Yes, sir. Here comes some more. Here comes some more.
Hey, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Got one of them?
Hey. Oh, shit.
You got one of them?
Yeah, we got one of them.
He landed way off in that brush. Here comes some more. They're coming across. Hey, you got something coming across. One coming your way, Creighton coming your way. There's one single. Look up, Hawk.
Hey, you good? You good?
See, I'm trying to get this shell right. There's one jammed up in there. I got mine loose. I had one already in there. Damn, those dropping shells in the water. They're falling out the bottom.
To your left, see they hot, but they might circle.
They come, they circling around.
Hey.
Oh, they circle. There's some more coming to the left. See them 2, 3? One, 2, 3, yeah, one over there to the right, 4.
I know we shot these 2.
And there's one in the bushes by Creighton. 2. Hit your call, hit your call. Oh, 2 of them. They're too far. They're too far. Hopefully they'll circle back around. There's some more flying up ahead. I see him. Here go 2 more. Ah, they too far. They too far, bro. Maybe they'll come back. They'll come back closer. Got him.
Dang, you shot by me, bro.
I shot over though. I didn't shoot down. Here come one. Here come one. There we go. There we go. They coming in fast now. I got some of that crown bag. I got to reload. Where they at?
Yeah, they way out.
Yeah.
He coming. I think he turned.
I see 2 of them flying way out. Here go one right here. Shit. I had a freaking decoy. I had a freaking crown bag in my hand. Here come one coming solo.
My hand was freaking over it, man.
Man, what kind of duck call that? Oh, it sound like you got the flu.
Hey, bro. I'm trying to call and keep my gun while you shoot.
Well, I'm glad you got that call, Hawk. You bring them in, baby. You bring them in. Hey, I see one flying low. He went across. The trees across. There you go. There he is. He's going away. Yeah, he's going away.
If we find all of them.
A couple of them went over there by past Creighton.
I know them two over there got
three coming right at it.
Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready.
Bust. I know one thing. I'm getting rid of this damn shotgun.
One of them got hit. He got hit.
Just dropping shells out the bottom of it.
Oh. Hey. Well, no, them ain't
I ain't shoot at that one.
I didn't even see him until he was.
Yeah, he was already out.
You shot at him, Brady?
I put 2 shots at me. But
He's still for
You hit him.
I hit
that
him.
was oh, there's two in the distance, guys, coming right. They're coming up on the right side.
I seen him, they way up there. It's one little one.
You want to hit the mouth call, I touch the lead. I ain't no good with mouth call.
I won't worry about it.
Got one coming. It's coming this way. You might have grazed that bad boy that last shot.
I think I did.
Here go 2 more. They're going the other way though. They're going across. Them 2 flew away. Here come one. Oh, that's a woodpecker. Here come 2 coming. They're in the distance. They might be circling around. They're circling around this way. You see them? 2 to the left.
They coming.
2 to the left. They coming this way. Nope. Nope.
Hold up.
They're way on up there.
They gonna circle. They
Yeah.
coming. Nope.
They was way up there.
You good? Been through a damn box. Just about.
I dropped about a half a box in this water down here. I ain't shot a half a box, but I dumped a half a box. I'm gonna go get some more shells. Apparently I need to have twice as many as I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna dump half of them in the water.
It might be a long shot, but I'm gonna shoot.
That's what I said.
Oh yeah.
Hey, that joker that flew past us, he was back there and I still shot at him. Yeah.
He clipped me.
Stu was like, you grazed him?
Yeah, he clipped me. They might circle around though.
Two more coming in off the left. Oh, yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I don't see him.
They're to the right, to the right. You see him now?
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll circle around.
I'm looking left.
They're circling around. They're circling around. Hit your call. 2. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. And they're way up there. They circled around though.
Would have been freaking shooting over my head. Hey. Oh no. Wait, they still. Nah.
They were way up there. I want to see some coming in the land in the decoys. That should be cool.
I mean, we ain't had none come on the land, but we didn't have none coming.
We killed the whole group if they landed. We had one group before us.
Yeah.
If we had
That
another,
like literally grouped up. They like grouped that 3 that
if we had another piece of that net, we'd be straight.
I'll go to Walmart and buy another one. I'm gonna paint the inside of that boat black. I'm gonna paint it so we ain't gonna have to worry about the net. The whole bottom of it's white. I'll paint the inside of that joker heavy to flip over. That's something gonna heavy.
Yeah, wood ducks are stupid. They're still flying around.
Man, I wish that big duck would have dropped.
Yeah.
We were right on. I felt like
I know them two over there got dusted.
No, they got
Them
dusted
jokers
off.
crumpled.
I mean, they you don't even have to get feathers off them. They butt naked.
Yeah.
They ain't knocked all the feathers off of them two. They came across and got roasted. Here go one. Here go one.
That was freaking mallard.
It's one of the Tweety birds or something.
That's a woodpecker. That was a mallard.
Yeah, that was a mallard, bro. That was a big bird.
That dude was big, I know that.
that's 35 yards.
I think he was higher than we thought.
Hey, I'll take it, sir. We got to shoot. We killed some birds.
Oh yeah.
Next time we go there,
Might get on some keys if we can get back there.
Uh-huh.
I'm not lying. I put one shot in him.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Stu coming to you. We're out here doing some duck hunting. We got the fellas here, man, having a pretty good day. Mainly shooting some wood ducks, so y'all just hang out with us, man. We'll give y'all some more live action. Two coming.
I was about to do it right in the middle of this.
Hello, boom! Cut him!
Oh my God, Chris,
I was finna pull up, man.
All right, y'all, coming back to you. We just got through duck hunting and got lucky, got a bonus, got a goose right here. So we're just getting out, enjoying the outdoors, man, having a good time. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the videos, man. Hopefully we have some good, some more live action from the duck woods. We'll holler at you. Peace.